Hello, this is Pretty Angel with a new video tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button below and also click the bell sign to get a notification whenever I upload new video. Like my video, share and make a comment below. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bowl. You can make it for your loved ones, for your daughter, you can make it for a birthday gift. So as you can see right here, I have my ribbon ready, I have my pin ready. You need a lighter if you're going to make this kind of, if you want to make a bowl or any bowl, you need the lighter, you need scissors, you need thread and needle, you need pin, and you need your hot glue. So first thing, what you have to do, you measure the ribbon that you're going to use. So like right here, from this longer ribbon, you will measure 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. And the second ribbon, you will measure 30 centimeter. This is what you're going to use. First thing, you put these two, the first one, you put them together like this. As you can see that it's coming out, because why? That is why you need a lighter. So you on your lighter and you just make it like that, not so much, just go across like that so that it will not be coming out. So right now you put the this ribbon, you put them together like this. Make sure they are equal. You put them together like this. And you take your pin, that is why you also need pin, you pin them into place. And the second ribbon, you fold it into two. And you take your lighter and you do the same thing. Make sure this is like it's glued together. And make sure you have the center of the ribbon. This is the center line. As you can see, when you open it, it shows you the middle part. Or if you want it to be very visible, you take your lighter, you go across like that, and you do it again, and it's more visible. So now that you have the center, the middle part of this ribbon, and then you fold it again for the second time, and you want the center of that. You take your lighter, you do the same thing. And this will be also the middle part. So you put this part, you take it across that middle part, just a tiny bit across, and you take the other side, you put it on top of the one that you take across before, like this. And you take your needle, that is why you need the needle and a thread. Make sure you have them ready before making a bowl. You put it inside, out, inside, out, and inside again. Like this. And then you pull. And the moment you pull, you wrap it with your thread tightly. and then you tie it at the end. Tie it again the second time. And you cut. So then you can fix the bow properly. After you've done that, you can arrange it the way you want. Just the way I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's almost ready. You put this aside. So you take your needle and thread, you tie a knot at the end. Cut the excess out. So put this aside, and then you take your second ribbon. So like right now, the second ribbon, you put this on top. From here you measure 1 centimeter. Like right here, you measure 1 centimeter. And you take your thread. So you just have to know where the center of this will pass. So you just put your needle, just take it gently, leave the top one on top, don't take it off yet. Then like right now, you can take it off. You are already at the middle part of the ribbon. You take this off. You just walk yourself through, in and out, in and out. Like that, and you pull again. Make sure you take your thread across, you tie it very gently. And you tie the thread also at the back. You take your scissors, you cut the thread out. So now that you know where the center is of this the other second ribbon, you fix them properly. Fix them very properly, and then you take the second ribbon, this is the back, you put them on top like this. You put it on top like this. Before you put it on top, you take your hot glue. That is why you need hot glue. You put it at the middle of the thread, and you place it on top. You hold it. You wait for a few seconds for it to get dry. Don't take out the pin yet, just to leave the pin the way I leave this pin on this end of this ribbon. You leave it like that. Hold it very tightly. Then you take your clip, And your glue, you put it at the middle part. The back, and you place the clip right there. You hold it very tightly. Make sure they are all glued together. Once that is done, you take your other ball. This is the smallest one that you will use to wrap the clip. This is centimeter. It's just a centimeter bow. Sorry, just a centimeter ribbon. You take your lighter, you do it like that, and then you hold your clip, you open it like this. You take your glue, you put it at the middle, and you take your ribbon, you put it at the middle part, press it, and you leave it for a few seconds. Then you wrap it around like this. I like to wrap it around two times to secure the ribbon so that it won't pull out quickly. And you take your glue again for the second time. You put it across. And cut the excess out. You take your lighter so that it will not come off. It's almost ready. It's not so difficult to make. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more video of how to make a bow for your loved ones, for birthday gifts. This is how it is. Then you can take off your pin. You put it aside. You take your scissors. This is why you need the scissors. You take your scissors. You cut diagonal like this. You take your lighter again. Make it across. You do the other side the same way. Take your lighter again, and then your bow is ready. You just have to fix it. Fix it with hands. This is how it will look. If you like my video, thumbs up, subscribe, make a comment below. Thank you for watching my video, and God bless.